my beautiful rose petals. It's your girl Rose, and I got the family with me today. We're gonna be making a gingerbread house. So today we got, what's your name?
Clyde.
What's your name? Bonnie.
Jamarion.
And we got the little one, Kanari. He down here on the floor. So excuse the way I had to prop my phone up, you guys. Hopefully we got a good view. But anyways, we finna get into the video with our family activities. This is the one we decided to get. It's I guess the regular gingerbread house. It has the accessories, candy. It's easy to use, icing with tip. You know, it shows everything that it has. Yes, all that stuff. So, y'all ready to do this?
Yeah, let's open it.
Oh yeah, that's way better right there.
Okay.
Open it.
Yes, we're gonna open it.
Alright, let me start.
Open it.
Yeah, open it.
Do his intro, y'all. Be quiet, let Jay do his intro.
You was in my intro, now I gotta redo that. What's up, man? It's your boy Young Jay, and I'm back with another video. Today we got my brother Kanari.
I'm his stepmama Rose.
What's your name, kid?
It's Clyde. Thank you.
Oh snap, we're gonna break the cookies. Alright, you guys. Okay, we'll go back to my camera view. We got two cameras going, as y'all can see. But this is what we have right here, the little gingerbread house. You see? Here's the one. And I guess these are the little
Gummy bears.
Yay! Bonnie's showing y'all.
Bees. Gummy bees. Gummy bears. And I don't exactly know where this is. Oh, this
yes,
cream.
this is the icing. This is the icing, you guys.
This gingerbread.
And these are little tips, so it come out different design when we like, you know, doing it. Okay, so what we gonna start first, y'all?
Let's
Let's get the Alright, open the gingerbread house, Jamarion. Get to Jamarion so he don't break it. Katie, you can open this one.
And they got gingerbread.
Can you open it?
Huh?
Can you open?
Put them on top of this?
Yeah, you can put. Oh no, you gotta take them out right now. We just gonna leave it in the bag.
Yeah, like tiny gingerbread people.
We're gonna move this out the way.
Yeah, put them on the ground.
We're gonna put it over there.
Yeah, this looks pretty actually.
Alright.
Yeah, we got a little Christmas tree.
Oh, dang. Okay, we got the candy all open up over here, you guys, on our little tray. Oh, snap. Catch it, Katie. Oh, it's gone.
No, I'm just gonna combine it.
So, got our candy open. You gonna do it again?
But yeah, back what I was saying, guys. It has like gingerbread people and stuff. I know you can't see it, but like this is me.
Don't scoot over so you want to get in the camera view. Come on, hold on. Alright, so what go first?
This.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Gingerbread. Let's do the bottom. What goes at the bottom?
And now we need some bees.
On the direction that's saying that.
Oh, okay, y'all. So that's what it's for. Look at that. Jamarion, read the directions. See, this is why we have kids to help us out, you guys.
Two gingerbread houses.
So this is the bottom. That's the bottom, you guys. So go on here.
No, first.
I guess it don't matter which way you have it. It's an equal square. So
Little heavier than
oh, those the windows.
Let me look on here.
Yeah, that's like windows right there, y'all. Look at that. So I'm guessing this should be the side. Yep, the windows should be on the side, right?
Oh, snap.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, you know what? That's where the icing come into play. We gotta put the icing on there to make it stick. Kanari,
Ma, you gotta do
go
this.
ahead. Come on, hold this.
Look, Ma.
Yes.
Look on this.
Yeah, that's the box. That's the direction, y'all. So what we're gonna do is put it up there like that. Kanari has been a crybaby, guys. This is our first time recording. Oh, dropping the camera. Recording this one of our activities. So we're gonna open the icing up and go ahead and put one of these two. Oh, it come with one on there. It come with one. So
Oh yeah, guys, if you know, if you already have it, like, comment, subscribe to
Rose Petals Vlogs. That fell. So we're gonna wash that off. So
it's far from me. I gotta look at this one and the other.
in our back.
Mom.
So come on then. You already tall. Let Bonnie get up here.
Or Kanari.
You is something else. Let's go ahead and open this. How we supposed to open it?
Oh, I got it.
No.
You gotta just
Alright,
twist
guys,
it
that's
around.
better. I know you can't see
I think we're
but
supposed to cut
you're
it.
in my face.
Go get the scissors, Katie. Wait. Yeah.
Bonnie, I was right there.
Got it.
Bonnie, I was right here. No. Ma, Bonnie not giving me my spot.
I just clipped the top off like that, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Just clipped it off. We're just gonna clip it off and put the big one on here. I think. It look like you're supposed to screw it on there and it's not screwing. Oh, you clamp it. Okay. You just push it down hard. So we're gonna let Jamarion be the first one to ice in one side of the window. So one edge of it, as in like right here. And Bonnie and Clyde will do one other side.
Yeah.
So it can stand up. Hold on, don't put it.
Ma, you
Be
talking about
careful.
right? You talking about right here?
Yeah.
Come on, this side right here.
Yep. Cause. Oh yeah, hold up.
Okay, I got all my stuff in there.
I guess you gotta shake it.
Let me see. Let me get it coming out. Is it coming out? Oh, okay.
It's kind of.
Okay. All right, guys. We're having a malfunction right now, and I'm trying not to really squeeze it too hard before it shoot everywhere, but it's not working for us. So I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm guessing we just gonna have to. Oh, look at that! Look at that! When I took it off, it's coming out really skinny. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna cut another piece.
Mars feel real fast. Oh God.
All right, we're gonna put it back on there.
And try again.
Gingerbread person.
Gonna clamp it on there.
It's not gonna come off.
It's coming out really. Oh,
I want that.
okay. Well, we seen what happened with that.
Well,
So we just not gonna use the top, you guys. Forget that. Go ahead. Just put it on there. How I get on there.
that look yummy. Let me taste this.
Yeah. You been eating candy. Okay, look at that. Well, pass it on to the next. Well, you do the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Let them do the other side. And stand it up. And Katie turn. Hold it in the camera view so they can see you do it, Katie.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put it right here, Katie. Wait. You gotta put it on the side. So we're gonna put it on this side right there.
I want to lick it. Come here, Nar.
Yeah. Bonnie.
Where am I going to put you?
Yay. Good
I
job.
want to do 2 sides.
Okay. So with what we just did there,
Let's look on the
was
box.
icing both sides,
Let's
but
look on
them
the box
sides
again.
don't connect. So we have to icing the other side to
Ma,
be able
Ma, you gotta put it.
to stand to it.
Ma, you gotta stand it up.
Yes, stop moving. Doing that. You putting your hand all in the icing. Now, let's do this. Yes, which one go to which? So this one gonna be right here on the side. That's gonna be on that side. The house in the front. In the front, you guys, this one is the front of the house.
No.
With the door.
No.
One in the front, one in the back. So Jamarion do the front of the house icing. Wait, Bonnie, not that. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Why?
Let's go put that down because you have that in the
Look,
way.
Ma, but it.
Yes, that's what we doing. Jamarion doing the front. Yeah. It's the boat.
Cheese. Real. What I will do? Wow.
No.
This I got the lips.
Yes.
Well, yeah. Like, pass it to Kaden. And we're gonna you gonna put it up there, and I'll hold this side. Yeah, there we go. Look at look at that, y'all.
Why you keep pushing me?
Kaden, you got the back side. This side, Kaden.
Oh, shoot.
Gotta do the other back of the house.
This is a Mario, stop pushing my arm, big head.
Okay.
Y'all turn, Bonnie.
Okay, our house keeps falling, you guys. But we gonna get it to stand after a while. Okay. Oh, once again. Here it is. Okay. I believe we have to put the roof, the ceiling. Let's put the ceiling on.
Bonnie, what you... Oh, God, that's a lot.
Ma, Bonnie.
Oh, Bonnie. Look what Bonnie's been doing. She done put icing all over our ceiling, you guys. So,
I mean, at least we get it.
yeah, that's at least she decorated the top for us. Yeah. Okay, Bonnie.
But we can't do that.
It's okay. She.
Wow.
Bonnie gonna be
I feel like Bonnie gonna be one of those.
a baker. Bonnie gonna say yeah. Whipping it in the kitchen.
I wonder how my thumb is gonna be.
I'm gonna eat everything. Because that was yummy.
So you can take pictures of your thumb down?
Yeah.
Oh, my big one.
Oh snap. Okay. Okay. Wait. What is this? That's the roof?
You put it on like that.
Oh, okay. You open one side of the roof. I do that.
No, it's supposed to go like this.
Oh no. Oh no, you guys.
This is
My
not
house keeps falling.
right.
Our house is horrible.
Yep. Thank God our house ain't like this in real life.
Yep.
Every 2 seconds.
Every 2 seconds we gonna.
I got a bad feeling that this is just gonna fall. Break out the side.
Okay, yeah, okay. So one side like that,
Yeah.
and then the other side. Look at that, Jamarion. You did it though. It was smart, even though It's the icing, you guys. That's what it is. They gave us this cheap icing.
I'm not
and
cheap.
it's just not working.
Cheap old.
Okay, we
keep
don't.
falling down.
Yeah, man.
They just decorate and eat it.
Get it back. It's
Good
gonna
job,
work.
Bonnie.
We're gonna hold it until he get the other side icing. When he icing the other side, then we gonna let it
That
go.
feel like a slip and slide.
Oh my God, my other, yeah, good job, Bonnie. Oh. Only if y'all can see what's going on.
This is.
Oh, they can see you.
Okay.
Cute, Bonnie.
We're gonna have to add more icing too, man.
Yeah, man. I got.
That's what I was just about to say.
Good job, Bonnie. Look at Bonnie girl. She holding together. Uh-oh. Be careful now. Be careful before it falls.
We're almost done with this ugly train.
You just ready to eat it. Every time.
Me too. So hungry. It's so easy. I want to be a monster to eat that. That look yummy.
Well, y'all see what we trying to do, you guys. It is really aggravating right now. I'm right along with the kids. At this point, we'll be like, forget it. Let's just put the stuff on there, however, get on there and eat it. Oh, okay. We got the other side.
Please, please.
How I supposed to get up there, man? Oh, there it is, y'all. Look at our house. Yay! Look at our house. Oh, no. One side just fell. That's well,
That's my spot right there.
okay, we're going to throw some beads up here where Bonnie put her ice in that.
Look.
Oh, look, they got trees and a gingerbread man. So we could have stood him up, too. Oh, Bonnie just fell against the house.
10 times.
Bonnie just fell against the house.
Let's just hit it.
Yep. That's it, you guys. That's it for the channel. We finna just go ahead and dig in, you guys. All the kids. Our patience is wore off. We done.
Can we just eat it?
Yes, we can just eat it. Go on and get the candy.
Come to your house.
Little sugar heads. You didn't add no more icing, so you can go put some more icing on it now. Put some more icing on your spoon. And then you can add all the stuff together and eat it how it is.
Hold on.
Now, all my beautiful rose petals, y'all just stay tuned because next we're going to come back with the cake that we're going to be making. Okay. You see? Yeah. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you new and hit the thumbs up button. Alright, see y'all.